If you're facing the frustrating issue of your streaming device showing no signal, you're not alone. There could be several reasons behind this problem. But let's start with the basics. Step 1. Restart streaming device, TV and router. Turn off your TV and disconnect your streaming device from the HDMI port. Unplug the streaming device from the power source. Then wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes later, turn on your TV. Plug the streaming device back into the HDMI port. Make sure that the cable fits snugly into the port. Wait until the streaming device boots up and press any remote button to confirm that it is running properly again. Step 2. Check the location of your router. If your internet router is behind a couch or inside a closet, try moving it to an open space. It should be as close to your TV as possible. Then try to check the problem. If persists the same problem, then go on to the next step. Step 4. Wrong input source. If your TV has more than one HDMI port and you select the wrong HDMI port as the input source, then you will experience a no signal error. Step 5. Check streaming device with another TV. This problem happened with many users with the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. Older televisions don't support high-end models of streaming device because of the minimum hardware requirements. We used the same streaming device with another television and then to a monitor using the HDMI slot, and it worked without any issue. You can also try the same. Step 3. Check your screen resolution. To change your screen resolution to one automatically compatible with your streaming device, do this on your streaming device remote. Press and hold the up directional button and the rewind button simultaneously for 10 seconds. When the menu comes up, select Use Current Resolution. In summary, if your streaming device has no signal issue, restart the devices and router. Replace the router and TV in same place. Check your screen resolution. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem with your TV. If you have any better idea or questions, feel free to share them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more helpful videos. Your support means the world to us.